Hi everyone, Shahar here from Vibrant Thoughts Create, and just want to create a video really quick. I'm at the end of my day. I've been working on my computer all day long. I'm going through the YouTube starter kit, and I watched a really good video about creating a tiny offer, or like a small, a low-cost digital product, and then offering like upsells and that kind of thing. So I actually have a digital product that I created. I'm very proud of myself, my first one ever. But I have not, or up until like literally this moment, did not create an option to provide an upsell to capture more revenue. And so after watching this video, I was like, I think I can do that. So I was using Stanstore, which I know there's some videos out there that say Stanstore is great, and then other ones say, don't use it. Anyway, but I already had my digital product lined up on Stanstore. So I went to try to create an upsell on it, and lo and behold, I can't. I need to upgrade to a more expensive plan. So I decided not to do that and to switch gears and to use SamCart, which offers a 7-day free trial, and then even after that, the launch price is like $79 a month, I believe, whereas Stanstore was going to charge me $99, I think. So so I switched. And I've been spending the last couple hours quickly uploading all of my digital product pictures and mock-ups and all that kind of stuff to SamCart. And so I did it. I just did the express option just because I just want to get it out there. I want to start sharing it. I decided to create this video as video number 3, I believe. So I'm staying on track. I'm recording. I'm doing all the things I should be doing, I think. So, yeah, so I will put a link to my digital market down below, and feel free to take a look. Cheers.